Welcome back. In today's video I'll be showing you how to make app icons bigger on your iPhone in iOS 18. Let's get into the method. To make the icons bigger, first head to the home screen and long press in some empty space. Now choose Edit, which is in the top left corner, and then tap on Customize from the menu. At the bottom you can customize the appearance of the app icons, and to make the icons bigger you need to tap on where it says Large. This will remove the label and increase the size of the icons. Tap once in some empty space to save this change. That's how to make app icons bigger on your iPhone in iOS 18. Click the card on screen now to watch a video of mine showing you 10 easy ways to speed up your iPhone or iPad. If you have any questions, then let me know in the comments below, and if you did find today's video helpful, remember to leave a like and feel free to subscribe for more tips in the future. Be sure to stick around to see some of my other videos that you might be interested in. Thanks so much for watching, and I will see you in another video.